Hello, I'm Saraswati, teaching mathematics for the grade 4 kids. I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity to teach the kids. I also like going back in memories and replenishing the knowledge. The grade 4 kids are so smart, actually. We don't, whatever you teach them, they understand it in one go. And whatever problems I teach them, they can able to understand the concept. Sometimes I never feel like I'm teaching a class, actually, like feeling like having a conversation with them, and like book as a medium, I'm just being guide for them, that's all. So they are really good in understanding the concept and learning. Whatever, even if I give them some difficult questions, they try to be more enthusiastic and try to solve the issues. We saw the interest in mathematics or the class, whatever they attend. All are too attentive to the class. Sometimes some kids are a little bit not attentive, but still I cannot tell them they are not intelligent at all, because even they know don't, they are not attending. They are not attentive to the class. We ask them the question, the answer is very right. So kids are really good, they are so smart, actually, and because of that we were able to finish the class more earlier. And from the last month we are not having any max class, and instead we have a lot of quiz programs, and we started learning coding. And to my surprise, everyone was able to code very good. I don't know, this generation kids are more intelligent. They are even able to make game codings. They even made a lot of games in the codes, and they're really intelligent, actually. They have a lot of ways to open the knowledges, and I wish they don't uh, stop their knowledge in one particular place, and they expand their knowledge in all the places. Thanks for KTN also for opening this opportunity for the kids, and they can expand their knowledge. I hope they all have a bright future. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Abhinay from KTN Digital Online School. I study in KTN Grade 3. I study Maths by Teacher Harish, English by Teacher Amita, and EVS by Teacher Vamala. Thank you so much, Teacher Harish, for teaching me math, multiplication, and addition and subtraction, and the metric system. Thank you so much, Teacher Amita, for teaching me English, and thank you so much for teaching me the lovely stories. Your stories are so good. Thank you so much, Teacher Vamla, for teaching me EVS. I learned a lot of new things about where food comes from, and how do animals eat, and where do food come from plant, and where food comes from animals. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Hi, KTN Online School. This is Punna Reddy, and my daughter name is Rahitya Reddy. She is studying grade 1 in KTN school. So my daughter is doing very well, and she is learning from the school a lot. Especially I can say she improved her skills in English, maths, and languages. And I am very thankful to all grade 1 teachers, especially maths teacher and then English teacher and Hindi teachers and the grade 1 Telugu teacher. They are teaching very well, and they are preparing very well for the classes, and they are supporting the students, and they encourage the students all the way to learn this online school. And especially the grade 1 teachers are doing very hard work, and they are treating children very well during the class, and they are encouraging a lot. And my daughter is improving her skills in English, maths, and Hindi, and Telugu also. So my daughter got a lot of benefits from the school, and we hope all the students are also getting very benefited, and teachers are doing very hard work. I am especially very thankful to the all teachers for teaching grade 1, and my special thanks to the admins of this school, KTN school. They are giving lot of energy, and they spend a lot of time and energy to develop the school and to take care of the teachers and students all the way. And I am very very thankful once again to the admins of this school. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Amita Karan here. So I'm teaching English for grade 3 and Hindi for all the grades. So it's really my pleasure to be part of KTM online education system. As the corona pandemic, we all are we have to be at home, and this is really good opportunity for all the kids staying in Korea, all the Indian kids staying in Korea, and it could also be beneficial for the kids who wants to learn other languages. I think from even Korean kids also they can join, and also it could benefit to Indian kids who are staying in India, and they can instead of going outside for tuition and all, they can take online classes from KTN online. So this is really good opportunity for all the kids. One more thing, like apart from the classes, regular classes, we also have few activities like Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. So these two activities are really going good. Even my kid Anshi and Suhami, they also take Bharatnatyam classes and Kuchipudi. So they really feel happy, and the best part is it's a weekly one, so they don't get tired also about the class from the class. So we really feel great, and I'm really feel thankful to the KTN online education system, plus all the coordinators. So it's really fun for kids. And about the kids, they are Korean kids are really good. They're apart from their Korean school or international school, they are really putting a lot of effort for learning their subjects. They always complete their homeworks, whatever is given, and they try to be punctual on the classes. They regular in the classes. So it's really kids are also doing really lot of effort. So thank you so much for the parents and the KTN online education system, and all the teachers are really great in KTN online system. So thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Lakshmi, Arya Kismo. My kids are studying in KTN Online Digital School because of wonderful teachers Miss Kavi and Yuthika ma'am. My kids really like them and they would like to attend their classes. They're studying in international school too, but they're really interested to attend for KTN Online Digital School. So we would like to continue with KTN School, and I really thankful to KTN Digital School founder, Mr. Shanu sir, for introducing this kind of excellent curriculum for all of our Indian kids. Thank you so much, sir, and all of our admins group who are supporting our school. We would like to appreciate your wonderful work. Thank you, sir.